Hey, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whoever you are, whenever you are, wherever you are. Today I'm in the FXG Hangzhou offices. I'm Nikk Mitchell and I'm about to show you the Pico Neo 3. First look, we got our box showcasing some of the games involved. Try them in a second and we're going to see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Slide it open. All in play. So I think it's kind of that all-in-one concept, but it's all in play. Pop it here, and this is what we got. All right, let's go. Got our controllers. A little bit long. Kind of an interesting fit. All the buttons you need are here, plus 2 extra. There's an extra plus button right there. I don't know what that does. And an extra, I guess, minus buttons on both sides. So you got 2 more controllers than on Quest. Joysticks, joystick buttons, and these slide up. I don't know what this is on here. Some kind of speaker, maybe? We'll have to see. Go surfing in Vicente. Power button up here, yes. All right, so I see Pico Neo, a Pico in front of me. Got my headset. Let's try it out. I see loading in front of me. Short press home button to connect. Oh, here. Do I even have batteries in here? Yep, okay. That would be when my batteries weren't working. Okay, so in front of me, I push home button. I've got some Chinese, a target controller at the circle. Long press home button to recenter. Next, English, awesome. We got English and about 10 other languages. Country region, I'm gonna do mainland China. Tilt the head until the text and images are clear and sharp. Okay, so for the IPD, that is your IPD adjustment. So in here, seems like there's 3 different lines for IPD. So that's nice. A lot of people have complained about other headsets not having any sort of manual IPD adjustment. Screen looks pretty great. Setting up my settings. So I need to confirm my floor. I think my floor is below my floor. Yeah, no, it's pretty close. Classic, like in Quest, I point at the floor, I paint my room. Looks very, very similar, but I think that's good. Oh, all right. So now I have my actual positional tracking. So I'm in my home space. It's really nice, actually. Got a giant planet, little sofa, curvy room, a nice looking tree. I got pictures over here. Oh, okay. I can change my background. It's kind of nice. Here's some announcements. Bunch of stuff in Chinese. Oh, my tracking just moved. Got a bunch of apps. User Center, Pico Fit. What's Pico Fit? Oh, this is interesting. So here we are. We got our workout app. 30 minutes of VR playtime. Today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a bunch of stuff. We got file manager. Oh, we got a demo video. I'm in a VR movie theater. It's a giant theater. Big screen. The screen ahead looks great. The colors in this are amazing. This showcases how nice the screen is. This is really good. This is perfect for watching movies. Super high resolution. Content doesn't make any sense. Why am I? But you know, sometimes content's like this. So I definitely want to quit out of here. Oh, environment, the void, beach cinema. Okay, so it's very obvious your cinema space is just an image. Yeah, kind of a basic player. We got all kinds of different choices. Okay. Let's quit the player. So we need some actual apps. Let's check out the store. Synth Riders. Get our Synth Riders going. And P coins. I don't know what P coins are. Oh, so that's P coins, I guess, is your app money. Pop up my WeChat. Scan this, which we just found inside the box. Pico VR. Install. So let's see if I can log into my account. So I've logged in. I think what I'm going to try and do is see if I can buy some Pico coins. PB. So I'm going to grab some Pico coins. Let's see, how many do I want? Let's get 200 RMBs worth, as this is in China. Let's do my Alipay. All right. So I now have 2,000 Pico points. Let's jump back in the headset. All right, so I got Pico coins added to my phone. And now I'm going back in, see if I can finally get me some Synth Riders. Looking for movement tracking. There we go. Cool. So I'm set back in. Let's see, do I have Pico coins now? I do not see my Pico coins. Oh yeah, there's my balance. Wonderful. I'm rich. So here, P coins, I got 2,000. Buy it right like this. Done, complete. Synth Riders is downloading. That's beautiful. What else? App Store is here. Games.
转到什么位置来，因为有这种快点慢点游戏，跟那个老师的速度一样。对。
I love deism.
就是或者老师傅的前面那个比较专业的，先做一遍。
Crazy Kung Fu, another classic.
这个是这样的，有可能用这个是采集的是最准的，但是你要是为了那个的话，也可以用普通摄像头。就学生那一个。
Looks like some Chinese apps that we don't know about. Fingers minigames. Oh, this sounds great. Definitely grab this. It's free. So this is all our choices. We're definitely getting Crazy Kung Fu. Still got my P coins. It's added to my account. Eyeball. Super hot. Excellent. And Hyper Dash. I'm a big fan of Hyper Dash. But we got Synth Riders ready. So let's start off. Let's get our Synth Rider on. Okay, my height. What? Synth Riders thinks I'm short. Spin mode on. I love me some spin. So that works very well. Tracking, absolutely no problems with it. That was good. That was really good. Whew. That is Synth Riders for y'all. Let's do maybe one or two more tests. Let's see, quit Synth Riders. My recording is still recording. What else did I download? My apps. Oh yeah. Let's take a little break from Synth Riders, do Crazy Kung Fu, hand tracking. So let's see. How do I get to hand tracking? Is that something I need to select? 是不是那边没有写的？你帮我在百度搜一下。Okay. So we're gonna jump in Crazy Kung Fu. 你那边还在录对吗？还在录？好。Let's see our Kung Fu moves. Stand in the middle of your play area. Punch the plank to start. We got speed increase. Pull. I missed. Oh, I'm cutting the head. We need to see some high resolution content. So yeah, let's take a look at some 8K 180. Oh, my movement tracking lost for a second. Okay, we're back. This was just loading. All right. Yeah, so 8K looks really good. This is quality. The screen looks really nice. Colors are great. Yeah. Checking out FXG's content. Some food live stream. 3D is awesome. Super clear. Yeah. So this looks amazing. 8K, 180, 30 frames per second. This looks super, super nice. Yeah. There we go. We got some 4K video, but it looks great. Awesome. So we saw video. Okay, so we played a bunch of games. Didn't figure out how to get hand tracking working. Watched some video. Screen looks nice. Tracking is great. I need to figure out where my hand straps are so I can play some hardcore synth riders. But yeah, I'd say it feels nice for the Chinese audience. I think it's going to be awesome because Quest 2 is really hard to get here. It's expensive in China. You need a VPN to launch it. So this is a way you can get a quality 6DoF all-in-one headset for a reasonable price. I think it's going to do great in China. Compared to the Quest, the controller feel, it doesn't just slide into your hands like the Quest does. That being said, it works fine. Movement and everything is really great, other than a couple moments of lost tracking. Yeah, I would say that it is very comparable to the Quest. If it launches in the West at the same price point in the Quest, I think people will love it because a lot of people wish they could kind of get out of that ecosystem. If it's a lot more expensive, I don't see it really taking hold. But yeah, you're going to be hearing a lot more about them in China. And for devs outside of China, if you want to get into China, we work with all these brands. So hit us up, send us an email, info@fxgvr.com. Make sure to follow us and let us know what content you have that you want to get into China. We hope we can bring it there. And we hope you have a wonderful day and see you next time. Cheers.